Come, let's play and learn a bunch with Lulu and Munch. Munch! Oh, hi, Munch kids. Have you seen Munch? I think Munch is playing a game with me. I think Munch is down there. Munch! Hey, Munch, where are you? Oh, Munch. That was a silly game. We're going to play a fun game today. We are going to play with animal puzzles. Yay. We have giraffes.
Wow, giraffes. Mm-hmm.
And we have a little bumblebee. Let's get playing.
Yay.
These animals and insects have homes in different areas. Some live in the savannah, some in the desert. Let's play with this puzzle and learn some facts about them.
Yay! Yay! So fun!
What animal is this? It has thick, protective skin and eats plants. It's a rhinoceros.
Wow, rhinoceros! Right here.
Where does it go? Maybe this way. We did it!
Yay, good job, Lulu! High five.
What animal is this? It has a unique pattern of black and white stripes and sleeps standing up.
Zebra!
It's a zebra! Where does the zebra go?
Right here.
What about up here?
Up here, Lulu.
Great job, Munch. Thank you.
High five! Yay!
High five. What animal is this? It's the world's largest bird, but it can't fly. It also has 3 stomachs.
Ostrich!
An ostrich!
Up here, Lulu.
Oh, you were right, Munch. On the first try.
We did it!
What animal is this? It is the tallest mammal on Earth. Only needs to drink water once every few days.
A giraffe!
It's a giraffe. There you go, giraffe.
Yay!
What animal is this? It's a reptile. It has sharp teeth and can survive for long periods of time without food. It's a crocodile.
Crocodile! Jump, jump, jump!
Not there.
In the water!
You're right, Munch, in the water.
We did it!
Great work. Ooh, what insect is this? It has a total of 5 eyes, 2 large eyes on either side, and 3 on the top of its head that are smaller. It's a bee!
A bee. In the sky.
Try again.
Yay.
We did it! What animal is this? It can't swim or float, but it can hold its breath underwater for up to 7 minutes. Wow! It's a hippopotamus!
Hippopotamus.
In the center!
Yay.
High five! Ooh, what animal is this? Sometimes you can find it in a house. It's genetically 95.6% tiger and can jump 5 times its height.
It's a kitty cat.
It's a cat! Meow!
Meow. Meow.
Yeah, great work. First try. Ooh, last one. What animal is this? Their noses warm the cold air before they get into their lungs, and their hooves expand in summer and shrink in winter.
A reindeer. A reindeer.
There you go, reindeer. We did it, Munch. Wasn't that fun? You're so good at puzzles, Munch.
Aw, thanks, Lulu.
You're good at puzzles too, Munch kids. What was your favorite animal? That's a great animal. What was your favorite animal?
I like the hippopotamus.
I know hippos in the water are so much fun.
Yeah.
And the bumblebees in the sky.
Oh.
Great job, Munch. Thanks for playing with us. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for our weekly videos.